Hi friends, Nikki here, and today I'm going to teach you Mukha Bhastrika, which is a cleansing breath. Mukha means to liberate or liberation, and Bhastrika means something forceful. So if you wake up and feel really sluggish and tired and sleepy in the morning for a little while, kind of groggy, this breath will change your life, I swear. Literally roll out of bed as soon as you step your feet down, do this breath that I'm about to teach you. And you'll feel so much more awake and energized and alert. You may not even need that cup of coffee right away. Just you watch. All right, so this is how the breath goes. So you step out of bed. Take your hands to your thighs, legs about hip distance apart, feet maybe a little bit turned out. You'll take a deep breath in through the nose, and then you'll hinge forward, bending your elbows, letting the head be heavy, pierce the lips, and forcefully allow the breath to expel out of the mouth, and then little coughs at the end just to make sure all of the excess breath is out. I'll show you. And then you can do 3 rounds like that. What this is doing is helping you release any of that excess carbon dioxide that's built up in your lungs as you sleep overnight and the breath gets shallow. And so you can expel that stale air via the lungs and out the mouth so that right away you feel turned on. So we'll do it 3 times. So if you're just tuning in for the breath right now, it starts here. 3 rounds of Mukha Bhastrika. Let's go. That's all there is to it. I hope you can incorporate this into your daily routine every morning or any time of the day that you're feeling a bit sluggish and dull and you need to wake up. Yeah.